Today I'm going to go over how to break down the Go chair by Pride Mobility. If you need to get this chair into a vehicle or in a trunk or some form of storage, you're going to want to know how to break this down. It's pretty easy. It breaks apart into 4 separate pieces. So I'm going to start by making sure the power is off on the unit, and then in the back here we're going to unplug this little cable right here. We do not want the cable tying this chair to the base because the seat is the first thing that comes off. Now, if you have these plastic storage compartments on your unit, you are going to want them both to the side, because when you try to take the seat off, they will catch. You don't want them to catch, so you want them both loose and kind of hanging to the side. From here, the seat just lifts straight up. Make sure you're not pulling back at an angle, just lift it straight up. From here, we have the base. The batteries do come out. All you have to do is just lift them straight up like this. If you want to charge the batteries off board the unit, you have a charger right up here. So you can leave the rest of the chair in your vehicle and just bring the batteries in if you want. And now the final thing to do is to grab this handle here. We can disconnect this front base from the rear base. You can also use this as a lever to control it if you would like. So you just lift up on this handle and you can roll it forward and away. Now, in order to put the unit back together, we're going to do the exact opposite. We have these green stickers on the front and rear base. You're going to line them up and then just drop it on. You might have to wiggle just a little bit, but you really should not have to apply any pressure to this. If you're applying a lot of pressure, you probably have the angle off. You don't want to do that. You don't want to break anything. Just restart. It should go in very easily. We have our batteries. Our batteries just drop in. Just like that. Make sure they're seated properly. And then finally, we'll put the seat back on. So you do want, like I said, you want these containers to the side, and then this post just goes into the seat post down here. And it drops straight down. Finally, you're going to reconnect your power cable, then you're good to go. So this has been how you take apart and put back together your Go chair by Pride Mobility. If you like this video or you like this product or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.